English Indonesian Travel Toolkit is there. Equals.
Apakah ada?
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, ready to level up your Indonesian with laughs and real lifelines? This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more resources at www.synapse-lingo.com. Strap in. We'll shop, sip coffee, ask for help, and not get lost. All with 9 tiny phrases that do huge work. Keep your ears smiling, your mouth moving, and your coffee imaginary. Your goal today. By the end, you'll order, ask, and get help confidently, in clear English and crisp Indonesian. Is there?
Apakah ada?
May I?
Bolehkah saya?
I need.
Saya perlu.
Where is?
Di mana?
What is?
Apa itu?
How much does cost?
Berapa harga?
I would like.
Saya ingin.
Can you? Casual.
Bisakah kamu?
Can you? Polite.
Bisakah Anda?
Mini dialogues. Repeat after me and act it out. Yes, you're the star of this tiny rom-com of words. Cafe. You whisper, is there a dairy-free option?
Apakah ada?
Bus seat. You smile, may I? To sit here?
Bolehkah saya?
Help moment. I need help, please.
Saya perlu.
Bantuan. Lost vibes. Where is the station?
Di mana?
Curious brain. You point at a gadget, what is?
Apa itu?
Market stall. You hold up a mango, how much does cost?
Berapa harga?
Ordering. I would like a coffee, please.
Saya ingin.
Kopi. Friend to friend. Can you send the link?
Bisakah kamu?
To staff. Can you show me the ATM?
Bisakah Anda?
Pronunciation beat. Tap the table, count to 4, and groove the words into your mouth. Apakah?
Apakah ada?
Bolehkah saya?
Bolehkah saya?
Saya perlu.
Saya perlu.
Di mana?
Di mana?
Apa itu?
Apa itu?
Berapa harga?
Berapa harga?
Saya ingin.
Saya ingin.
Bisakah kamu?
Bisakah kamu?
Bisakah Anda?
Bisakah Anda?
Culture tips. Sound friendly, clear, and super polite with tiny tweaks. Open gently with, excuse me,
Permisi.
before your question. Extra polite? Add, please.
Tolong.
For example, please, can you show me the way?
Tolong, bisakah Anda tunjukkan jalan?
Choose your, you, casual with friends.
Kamu.
Polite to staff, strangers.
Anda.
At markets, start with price.
Berapa harga?
Then, if bargaining, you might ask, any discount?
Ada diskon.
Quick quiz. Answer out loud, your plants won't judge. I'll pause for you. Q1. Say, where is, in Indonesian. A.
Di mana?
Q2. You want permission, may I? A.
Bolehkah saya?
Q3. You want to buy something, how much does, cost? A.
Berapa harga?
Q4. You're curious about a word, what is? A.
Apa itu?
Q5. Ask a friend for help, can you? Casual. A.
Bisakah kamu?
Q6. Ask a staff member politely, can you? Polite. A.
Bisakah Anda?
Q7. Place an order politely, I would like. A.
Saya ingin.
Q8. State a need, I need. A.
Saya perlu.
Q9. Check availability, is there? A.
Apakah ada?
Your 60-second challenge. Ready to play traveler in your kitchen? Say each line clearly and add a real item near you. 1. Check availability.
Apakah ada?
E.g., Wi-Fi. 2. Ask permission.
Bolehkah saya?
To open a window. 3. State a need.
Saya perlu.
Help. 4. Ask directions.
Di mana?
The bathroom. 5. Ask meaning.
Apa itu?
A menu word. 6. Ask price.
Berapa harga?
That snack. 7. Order politely.
Saya ingin.
Tea. 8. Ask a friend.
Bisakah kamu?
Send the link. 9. Ask staff politely.
Bisakah Anda?
Show the way. Thanks and next steps. You crushed it, nice work. Thanks for listening, and keep these phrases handy on your daily adventures. Practice a little every day, smile a lot, and you'll sound natural in no time. For more bite-sized lessons, transcripts, and quizzes, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. See you in the next one.